Hey guys, welcome back. Last testing video on the Parallax speakers. We're going to get into it. We're just going to run a quick graph. As I've said, new mid-ranges, new silk dome tweeters, new three-way crossovers, all from Parts Express. You check the last video, you can see the update on that. But I'm going to set you down, I'm going to run the test, and then we'll go through it. Okay guys, I don't know how well you can see that this time, but basically here was my baseline. I did it at 1 this time at 1000 Hertz. Let's just look back to 1, this bottom graph right here. Look at the dip we had between, I'll call it, won't say a dip, but however, even between 600 and 3K. We're a little bit more all over the place now, but I think what is to be noted here is we have higher responses at the top end. I think David Weems needs to be quoted here, the author of all the speaker books I read as a kid. Speakers don't always test as well as they sound, and I think this is a case in here. These things sound amazing now. Since I put those new silk domes in, and I put those aluminum mid-ranges, and the crossovers, and what I haven't shown yet is the stuffing I put in there that really tamed things down. These things sound amazing now, but again, testing, and maybe something's flawed in my testing, I'm not sure yet. I think probably next is to treat the room, you know, put a couple acoustic panels up, stop some reflections or something, because I'm sure my room is my biggest limitation. Who knows, maybe one day I'll make a video, I take these out into a field and do a test that way in the open air where I won't get the reflections back in my test. We'll see. But this is the last test I'm going to run, because let me tell you guys, I am just enjoying listening to these things. They definitely don't show as good as they sound. They're just kind of loud in some spots, soft in others, according to the test. This woofer is, you know, what, almost 50 years old or so. So I could understand this. These brand new drivers, that doesn't make sense. That's got to be my room, because, man, they sound good. They sound amazing. But anyway, one final video as a wrap up of the whole project together coming on this. But yeah, it's been fun. It's been a blast, and I actually listen to these so much. Like, every day, every evening that I'm home, I listen to these some. When I'm working from home, I'll turn on the classical music for George. George, so he can enjoy them, and he does. So it's pretty good. Anyway, guys, one more video. We're gonna wrap this up. But man, highly recommend you finding some old vintage speakers. Applying this method, you will be amazed by their sound. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.